Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change language on Snapchat. So let's start. First, open your Snapchat app. Now tap on your profile icon on top left corner. Then tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Now scroll down a little bit and tap on language. Here you will see many languages. Now search for your native language or the language you like. I'll select Bengali and then tap change. Now your Snapchat app will restart. Now go to your profile from top left corner. And you'll see the language of the app has been changed. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.